Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is
Question 1. Which of the seven fundamental principles does the molecule describe as we bow to need but not rulers? Impartiality, service, independence, unity. The answer of the question is fundamental principle described as we bow to need but not ruler refer to independence. Independence in this context remains the organization must act independently from any external influence or control, ensuring that their actions are solely based on the needs of those they serve. This is the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave your comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.